What's up, my boys? So, bunker's gonna reset in like 8 minutes, so we gotta try to get this floppy disk, and then I have to go search for this boss again. Because right now, I feel like he's the hardest boss to find, and I have to get some ball bearings. Hopefully, I can do a raid today, and hopefully, some ball bearings will be found. I am bringing some AKs. I don't really like to use them in the bunker, but it has to be done, so. But hopefully this will turn out, because I do need a floppy crate, and hopefully I have enough time in the bunker to actually get this floppy crate, because the raiders do want one C4 for me to find. And no, there was no C4s in the red box, so that is why this has to be done. So let's get started, shall we? But luckily, even if it does close, I will still do the 4th floor, because I have like 4 minutes. Now for Bunker Alpha, hopefully it goes well. And that is kind of loud. But I do honestly feel like the bunker will reset while I'm doing this, and I won't be able to get to the 4th floor. That does happen. It's going to be a crisis, but I don't think it will. So let's try to do this to the best and kill the blind one. He will rain down and die. That is the end of him, and now we have to go to the 4th floor. Because I need these ball bearings, and I kind of don't want them to get away from me, and I do need this floppy disk. Hopefully, it'll go good. Now, this will be hard because most of everything that I have and the lag is incredible. I really hope it goes well. I can't switch. Kefir, your game is gonna kill me. I am really sorry for the lag, everybody. But whoever did season 2 or is going to take on a boss soon, make sure you might want to bring shotguns, VSSs, AK-47s too, because AK-47s are some of the best guns. And I wish I had my true friend Doggo, but it can't be helped. This game. Okay, it'll get easier now. Just hurry up and die. Oh, I thought I was gonna die there. It was close to that, because if I would have died. Tactical book bag, we've been through a lot. Please don't leave me. You know you're my golden key. Ooh. This stuff. I'm sorry for deleting it, but I really don't need it right now. So I don't want to store it up. Oh, things are gonna get really hard. Oh, luckily I have stuff in my inbox in case I do run out of armor. It ain't gonna get harder than this, I'll tell you that. This is taking a really long time. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and I think my first aid kits are going to be running low soon. Now, I haven't showcased these chests in a while. That's only because I've been saving M16s to AK-47s for the police department. But these two chests, I promise you, are the best two chests in the entire game. Because why? This. Boom. I had bandages there. Take all. I don't really need that stuff. Okay, so let's see if I can get this floppy disk, and I'll see you at the location. We are back, and I think, yeah, that's enough. I'm opening you today. Yeah, just give me the location. Alright, so, location is set. Now, I have to find this incredibly difficult boss. See you in a sec. Reasons on why I am happy. I found a boss, for one. Another reason is because I got the ball bearings. This bike is mine. And then I'm going to get the C4s. And then the raid will commence. I'm not going to get any meal cores or grenades. But I could get guns or a medical raid, which is a raid full of first aid kits. But I'm just saying, I am deeply happy right now. Not even lying. I am so happy. And one other thing about this season, I don't understand one thing. I need someone to explain this to me. It showed that there was supposed to be AK-47 grenade launcher mode, yet it's not here. It was supposed to be in Season 1, but it wasn't in Season 1. I will tell you why it wasn't in Season 1. How I know it wasn't is because I got the max level, like I am in Season 2. Yes, I did pay for premium, and I paid for 10 more levels after premium. Because when you get premium, you get 10 levels free, and then if you buy one, you get 5 more. So I earned 20 levels, bought 20 levels. No, I'm not the best player. That's why I bought it. But, let's see here. Come home with me. Thank you. But if you want an easy way to collect ball bearings, do the bunker, police department, motel or hotel, whatever you want to call it, and then farm and grind oak areas, because you'll spend a lot of time there. And a lot of time usually means you're going to get a lot of resources, and it's going to help you out. So I am going to keep collecting these ball bearings, but let's get it started. And I have painted all my boxes, I think. I know I painted most of them. I have 2 pink ones, which I want to stay pink. I want to get all of them to pink and get all racks, but that takes a lot of resources. Like, a bunch. But let's get to the floppy disk area. We are here now. No infected box, please. Because that would mean I have to put away a lot of armor. Because my acid bath is full of armor right now. Please don't hit me. I really don't want to use these first aid kits. Down goes the giant. Delete. God dang it. Can these dudes just leave the zone? I wish there was a way to like respawn them out the zone. I haven't found a way, but I'm pretty sure someone has. I haven't seen a lot of hackers though, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I have been given hate on their page because I believe everyone should play the game the right way, or just don't play at all. God dang it. Okay. Looks like we got an infectable. Oh, my motorcycle's almost out of gas too. So, gotta do this carefully. Zombie, do not get a... Dang it. Dang it. Okay, I got it. Get off. Do not hurt me. Now, I'll catch you in a sec. I had to put a lot of stuff away, so... Now, it's been over an hour and some change because I had to wait for it because as you can see, I don't have a lot of coins because I don't know how to save them. So if you're watching this, please like this video because it did take a while. And let's see what we got. A scar and an AK. Ooh, I got some white paint too. Some first aid kits. Alright, so before I take everything out, because I want to use this as secondary storage, let me put all that stuff in. Now I have a lot of decorating to do because I got to put armor back in here because it's in more. Some of my armor is in more than an armor chest. So, see you at the rip. Our base raid today will be Charlotte. I did my research, and how do you do research? All you simply have to do is just go to YouTube, type in LDOE Base Raid, and then put that base's name. But the research I did do, I didn't see him open any chests. It was bound to get to that point, and then I just like cleared out of there. But one good thing is you don't have to use C4, and there is a specific wall everyone chops down. But in this video, I will show you that there is a better wall you can chop down that will make your raid way more simpler, and you don't have to deal with the hassle of the big one. So that is a good thing about this. Yeah, it is the chest glitch. I call it a glitch because Kefir still never takes it out. But let's get to it. First, as always, check the truck. There's nothing in the truck. So everyone chops down this wall over here because it is level 1. But I'm going to show you a simpler technique. You will have to sacrifice one iron hatchet. Chop this, any of these 4 walls will do. Oh, it should have been that one. Alright, iron hatchet time. I messed up. You know what? We're not even going to do it. But if you do come to this raid, chop down this wall right here, because you'll be able to slide in, so zombies cannot harm you. But as far as I know, you will only need level 1 hatchets. And you can trick the blind one. I hate these zombies. They are down. Ooh, and a bunch of wood. If you come here, you will have no problem gathering wood or planks. So if you're in need of wood or planks, this is the raid for you. Let's go to the truck. All of that is done. Now let's 3-hit all the chests. Hopefully, there's good stuff. Try not to leave the zone. Because if you do want to do the suicide trick, that'll be a hard one to do. Because it won't work. Okay, that was a lot of hits though. Yes, my heart is racing because I don't want to die. Oh, a lot of zombies. Now, there's nothing really good at this base. This is basically just a resource raid. There's a lot of limestone, a lot of regular wood, and a lot of junk. So, it's not very good. But if I can get some steel bars or steel plates from the iron workbench, then I guess this day will get better. Nope. Let's see. Oh, there's... Hey, I wonder, if I break that, would a blind one come after me? But if you do nothing but collect stuff... No. If you do nothing but go to zones and collect your own wood and limestone, then you don't have to take this. But if you don't, I would recommend taking it. Like, I am going to take the limestone. Stuff I don't really need. I want to finish some of them off. So yeah, this base is not really that good. Kefir, you have failed me yet again. Whew. Yeah. But thank you for watching. Season 2 boss battles will happen a little later today before Season 2 ends. So stay tuned and just watch me die or stay alive or murk the bosses. Alright, have a nice day. Please like, comment down below on how your raids are doing. And how hard these mini bosses in the zones are hard to find. And subscribe and turn on notifications. I won't be here for Season 3 because of basic training, but have a nice day.